To replace the power panel, the first thing we need to do is power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, we need to remove the pad set by detaching the hook and loop fasteners. Next, we'll use the backrest release lever to tip the backrest forward onto the chair seat. Then use a wire cutter to cut the zip tie that secures the backrest zipper. Next, we'll remove the cable from the cable guide, and then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure each of the cables to the power panel, as well as the 4 screws that secure the power panel to the chair. Then we can detach the power panel from the chair. Next, we'll open up the backrest zipper. And we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB box to the massage mechanism. Okay, we can move that box a little bit then to provide more access to the connectors. Then we'll use a wire cutter to cut the zip tie that secures the cables together there. And then we can disconnect all of the connectors. And finally, we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw that secures the ground wire to the chair. A magnetized screwdriver is best here. Be careful not to drop the screw into the backrest. Okay, then we can remove the power panel from the chair. To install the new power panel then, we can place it into position. Pushing the connectors and the ground wire through the opening in the backrest. And then from the backrest side, we can push all of those connectors through to the back of the chair. Okay, we'll start on the left-hand side with the arm cable connectors by pushing them one by one through the hole in the power panel and then connecting each connector to the corresponding connector. Okay, next we'll take the right-hand cable then and do the same thing, pushing the connectors through the opening in the power panel and connecting them to the corresponding connectors. Okay, and then we can push all of those connectors through the opening in the backrest and align the power panel screw holes with the holes on the backrest. And then replace the 4 screws to secure the power panel. Next, we'll place the right-hand cable mounting plate into position flush against the power panel and replace the 2 screws to secure it. And we'll do the same thing with the left-hand cable mount. Next, we can replace the ground wire screw to secure the ground wire to the chair. Okay, then we need to bundle up all those connectors and secure them and the ground wire using a new zip tie. Then we'll use a wire cutter to cut the excess zip tie. And we can align the PCB box screws with the corresponding holes on the massage mechanism, and then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Okay, then we're ready to close the backrest zipper. Next, we can replace the zip tie to secure the backrest zipper for safety reasons. And cut the excess zip tie. Then we can return the backrest to the upright position. Secure the cable in the cable guide. And we're ready to replace the pad set. So we can place the backrest pad into position and secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. From the front of the chair, then push the seat cushion back as far as it'll go, then push down firmly to secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. And place the head pillow into position and secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. Okay, then we can plug the chair in, power it on, and we're done.